I know, I got y'all sitting on the front side. What can I say? These seats back here are taken. Howdy, 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 how is everybody? Hey y'all, I wanted to make for a couple of little kids at the shelter a little play toy here. So I'm going to do a little quick turning and see if I can't knock it out for them. I don't know if I've told y'all in the past, but my wife runs a charitable organization here in Houston, and we house mothers with children and assist elderlies. And I wanted to make a toy for a couple of the little kids to play with. So that's what I'm going to do here. Let me get at it, guys, and show you all my little bowl with a hole. Alrighty? Alright, my friends, we've got us a chunk of maple chucked up on the lathe here. It's about 4 inches round by about 4 inches. Alright, my friends, we're here mixing this up a little more total boat. Skyline blue. Why it's dark here? Skyline blue. And out the depth dark of the pot we come. There we go. Got us a little blue. Alright, my friends, that was 60 grit you saw me using there to level out the surface. Now I'm going to sand this down to 320 real quick before I start working on the front. That's not my final grit finish, but that's where I'm going at the moment. Alrighty, my friends, we're sanded all the way up to 800 there, and I love using this little grit polish by Glenn's Woodworks. Cover's kind of wore out here, guys. It's a 3-step polish, 3-step process, 1 grit buffing, 2 grit buffing, and then Kinno wax finish. And I'm not going to use his finish this time. There's nothing wrong with that. I just want to do something different. But I am going to use his rubbing polish to seal the wood before I wet sand the resin. So, wanted to let you know, and I'm going to get at that. You apply it with some paper towel. Just rub it onto the paper towel, and then rub it on to the turning. Like so. And it doesn't take that much. And I'm going to do the front and the back like this. And yeah, I'm going to get some on the resin, but that's okay. I'm going to clean it off. Ooh, that brings out the color in that wood. Yeah. I know, I got y'all sitting on the front side. What can I say? These seats back here are taken. Alright my friends, I'm going to wet sand the resin now from 1500 all the way up to 12,000. Water's not going to hurt my wood because I've got it sealed. I'm going to go through this little process with these pads, making sure I'm always keeping them wet. I even like to ride the piece with a little water while I'm sanding. Keep a wet rag running on it. That way I know I don't run dry. Guys, this is Hut friction polish for plastic. This is my all-time favorite thing for polishing out resin. No sponsorship of any kind. They might notice me one day and give me one. Maybe. Who knows? But we'll see. Put it on some paper towel, rub it on, build up a heat friction, and bring it to a mirror glass shine. Alright my friends, and for the finish on this I'm putting friction polish. I make my own a lot, but I thought I'd give Huts a try here today since I like their plastic polish so much. A little bit on a piece of paper towel and build up a heat. Spread it on. That bowl is going to leak, I tell you. It's got a hole in it. And there we go guys, one simple polished little bowl with a hole. I got a holy bowl. Alright guys, time for my little maker's mark here. Goop. I don't have to wait for the resin to dry. I like to put resin on top of it once I put it in there. Give y'all a little close-up look. Yep. There we go, I got my marbles to roll. Hey my friends, I hope you all like that. That's a very little simple turning you can make for the kids or the grandkids. I was intending on making the pitch on the cone a little steeper where the ball went faster. But with little kids watching it, I thought they'd enjoy it more if the ball took longer rolling around, so I decided to go shallow with it. And cut a little inner rim inside arch around the top so you could put a nice little spin to the ball. It has a little bit of a flat ledge right there where you start rolling the ball around so you can get a nice spin going on it. It was a lot of fun to make and I enjoyed it, and I hope you all like it and maybe make one also. And I sure appreciate you watching, my friends. Got to get back to work. I'm working on some other videos, and I've got a couple of jobs going on that got started off, so a little busy, but thank God not too busy at the moment. Hoping to actually take next weekend off and go down to Padre Island, down by the south coast of Texas, and spend the weekend there if possible. So that's my plans at the moment. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Please hit the like button for me if you could. If you're new and you find me halfway decent and respectable, I'd greatly appreciate a subscription. That would be very nice of you, and I would be honored. And as always, my friends, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you know I'll be back. Have fun now, guys. See you in a bit. Bye.